Okay, so in this unboxing we will be unboxing the Withings blood pressure machine that has also the EGG and the digital stethoscope. So I got this straight from the Withings website. It comes in this cardboard box. Looks very nice and solid. And it includes the micro USB charger, but not the actual wall charger. Instruction manual. Looks like it's made from recycled paper or something. And this device needs a smartphone to function at all. So in the next video part we will see how it actually functions. So next we will be trying to set up the blood pressure core onto the Withings application. So you just need to press 3 seconds here, and then this Withings setup comes, and I can just press here next. Next again. Then we would have to select the Wi-Fi and to use my home Wi-Fi. Set the password. Now it's configuring and connecting. It has some instructions on what to do before taking the blood pressure and how to put the blood pressure on the arm. But that's pretty much how to set up the device.